So someone left me a comment telling me, Lady C, always tag a name to your recipes. Okay, today we are making chicken popcorn. Hello, creative bangers. Let's do this together. Of course, you need chickens, okay? You are going to clean your chickens very well. Then go ahead and cut in cubes as demonstrated. All right, once that is done, set the chickens aside. We'll move to the next step. All right, here are the ingredients that I'll be using. In here, we have some salt, garlic powder, ginger powder, chicken seasoning. All right, I have mixed spices, curry powder, and chili powder. Feel free to use any spices of your choice. Your preferences is okay. All right, even if you want to remove some of the spices that I use, feel free to do that. All right, okay, set it aside. Now in another bowl, you are going to add your flour into the sieve. I added cornstarch, about a tablespoon. Go ahead and sift both together. All right, always sift your flour before making use of it. Now once that is done, you are going to introduce all the spices into the mix flour. All right, once that is done, gently mix to combine very well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, I was mixing with the beater. It wasn't mixing it properly, so I used spatula to mix so that I can mix properly. Once you are done mixing, you are going to take part of the flour and add it into the chicken. I added 1 egg, then I drizzle some sweet chili sauce. It's totally optional. All right, go ahead, take your time and mix properly. Don't forget to check the description box for the list of the ingredients and the measurement. Okay, I'll also drop the list at the comment section. All right, after mixing, you are going to transfer the chickens one after the other into the mixed flour. Okay, please do not overcrowd it. Okay, as you can see on the video. All right, make sure you coat properly. All right, once that is done, you are going to deep fry. Gently transfer the chickens one after the other into a deep, hot, moderate oil. Beautiful shout out to you, Queen Nelson, watching from Ghana, Esther from Lagos, Nigeria, Amiret from Germany, Stephen watching from Plateau State, and Carol all the way from Kenya. Whoops. Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? All right, after dropping the chickens into the hot oil, you will notice that it will be foaming. That is because of the flour. All right, now you are going to let the chickens to cook, or once the oil becomes clearer, you can start to flip it around. Continue to flip it around from time to time. Fry according to your preference, or once it becomes crispy, crunchy, or golden brown, as you can see on the video, take it out of the heat, put in a strainer to drain out the excess oil, and we are done. Creative bangers, very simple and easy. Serve and enjoy. Do you love this recipe? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Our chicken popcorns is ready. You can go ahead and enjoy it just the way it is, but you know your girl, I always get it twisted. I served with some fries and some cream. Will you be trying my chicken popcorns? Let me know at the comment section. Trust me, it was delish. Very, very bangalicious. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thanks for watching. Bye.